All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the parking brake, as well as how to turn off the parking brake in this Kia Telluride. I'm going to walk through the process with you, and let's get started. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Kia Telluride. In order to turn on the parking brake and turn off the parking brake, what you'll do is, my vehicle's on, it's in park. I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot onto the brake, depress that, make sure I'm not going anywhere, and then I'm gonna look towards the center, and you see this button right here? This button right here is for the parking brake. I'm gonna take my finger and my foot on the brake, and I'm gonna pull this, just like that, to engage it. It's showing that it is engaged. Did I just stutter? I think so. So right here, it is showing that it's engaged. Now, to disengage the parking brake, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down here and press my foot on the brake, and I'm going to look back towards here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this same button, and I'm going to press and hold it, and it becomes disengaged. Now, I'm going to engage it one more time. And I'm going to show you what happens when I don't put my foot on the brake. My foot is not on the brake, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to do it. It says press brake pedal to release parking brake. So it won't allow that. So I'm going to press the brake pedal, and then I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to press that, and now it's disengaged. So that is how you engage and disengage the parking brake on this Kia Telluride. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.